Shyla's room. I'm leaving the structure for my cousin Musa because he told me he loves it so much. I'm just recording. Seriously, taking over this beautiful pink and green bedroom. तो आज हम officially इस घर को छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. मैंने सारी सफाई करवाई है and here I'm just gonna show you some of our rooms and stuff. Memories. I made that branch myself, leaving it behind when Shyla was 4. It's the glitter wall. Once upon a time there was a beautiful princess named Shyla. She had a desk here with 3 pictures. She had bookshelves over here with all her books and some pictures hanging from there. Our old house. This was the guest bedroom, which became Riza's room eventually, but we never really did much to it because we were planning to move anyways. We just thought it would be within Toronto. Turns out we're moving out of Toronto. But yeah, this is the room. Leaving Myra's old bouncer behind for my cousin who is going to be having a baby soon. Closet. This was the official nursery, starting with Shyla, then Riza, then Myra. So you can see this was actually decorated for Riza. Little jungle animals, which we never really ended up doing anything with it for Myra's because again we thought we were going to buy a different house. So we left it as is, but this was what Myra was using as well. When it was Shyla's, it was different. It had like flowers and stuff. Our master bedroom. Almost 10 years of memories in this house. This is the standard closet. So we have his and hers closets here. And then this is the walk-in closet. This is the master washroom. Stand-in shower. So we had pictures all along here of our wedding and some random shots. Okay, front door, laundry room. There's still stuff there, powder room. We got a new washer and dryer, so this stuff has to go. Foyer, this was the living room. So I'm leaving some furniture behind because it's actually relatives of ours who are renting this home from us, and they asked for some of these things, so we're just leaving these behind. Dining room, French doors, our chandelier. Then we're heading to the kitchen. So blinds are all closed. This is the backyard. And the kitchen. Don't mind, that stuff has to go with me, so don't mind that. So to put that in the garage. Family room. We had it painted, all of this painted, so the curtains were just off. They need to be put back up. So you can see actually the backyard, the deck and the backyard, barbecue. I'm leaving this beautiful piece behind. I absolutely love this mirror, but it's attached on really well. So I just don't want to take it off, so I'm leaving it there. And some things that, again, the painter took off the walls, they can put it up if they want, or they could just toss it, up to them. That's it. Okay guys, so that's it for our old home tour. We've spent 9.5 years in this home and 3 beautiful kids. Couldn't have asked for anything better, but it's time to move on to bigger and better adventures. We will miss Toronto immensely. I have lived in Toronto my entire life. So this is really, really a big change for me, but I'm finally looking forward to it. But yeah, we're gonna miss it here, and I hope you guys hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you can follow along with our new adventures along with my recipes and DIYs. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.